Hi, my name is Choi. I made this little video for you to get to know me a little bit and to help explain how I can help with trial presentations. I've been working with attorneys on these presentations since 2008. During that time, I have had trials all across Virginia. I've also worked in Maryland, DC, North Carolina, and Georgia. I've been with MediVisuals since 2003. I started off as a general illustrator, and as time went on and I've been doing more of these trial presentations, I realized how much I enjoy getting hands-on with the new technology and putting it to good use in trial. The main trial presentation program I started using was called Sanction, which is a great program, but I familiarized myself with another one called Trial Director. They are both similar, but there's a few differences that help make certain tasks a little easier. I actually go back and forth between the two, depending on what the attorney is looking for. But I do think Trial Director's interface is a little bit more modern. So here's some of the basics. I can bring up any document out of thousands of pages. I can actually bring them up side by side if you so choose. The typical annotations, I can zoom in on various parts. I can highlight. I can circle things. I can put boxes around words. I can blur out words. Or I can simply redact parts out. I can point to things with arrows. I can underline or write freehand. So those are just some of the annotations I can do. I work with video depositions as well. I know how to sync or time code the transcript to the video. We can have it scrolling like this with it, or we can have it without, your choice. If there's an exhibit that goes along with the video deposition, then I can always bring it up on the side as well. I do a lot of work in PowerPoint as well, particularly for mediations and opening and closing arguments. This is a crash sequence I created for mediation recently. I've also done charts, graphs, maps, calendars, and timelines. One of the great things about being a part of MediVisuals is that I have access to tens of thousands of illustrations and animations. So when the decision comes at 11 p.m. that you need another visual, I can make that happen. As for the actual setup in the courtroom, I prefer the rear projection setup. It's just a good way to keep everybody from walking across the beam or having the projector shoot into people's faces. I know a lot of courtrooms nowadays have monitors already set up. I can also hook into their system, obviously, and it's your preference. One of the great parts about this is that it's only as full service as you want it to be. So if you don't need help with your opening and closing presentations, then I don't have to get involved. If you just need somebody to publish things to the jury, then I can do that for you. Or if you need me to be a part of all aspects of trial presentation, if you need me to be by your side in the courtroom and in the war room, then I can be there for you. You let me know, I'll take care of you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope to work with you soon. Thank you.